What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. How I made money off XRP while it was tanking. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Come on, appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post daily and weekly crypto analysis. We don't just post daily and weekly crypto analysis, but we also day trade over here. So we live stream, live trade every day, London session 3 and EST on this very same channel. So I show you how to make not only passive, but as well as active income. Now I want to give a special shout out to the member students, y'all. Absolutely been dominating this month, and this is like the slowest month of the year on average. Man, we caught 95 pips on GU the other day. Beautiful 1-to-3 short ratio, meaning we made 3 times whatever we risked. Then the day before that, caught a beautiful 1-to-4 short ratio GBP New Zealand, meaning whatever we risked, we made 4 times that amount. Then the day before that, kind of nice almost 1-to-2 short ratio on G, and again, been absolutely killing it. 1-4 the week before that. How we ended November last month, 14-1, 93% win rate. Absolutely been dominating. First link description, check all the stuff out. All the stuff's dated, timed, and documented. Can't make none of this stuff up. Now you're interested in the sin room, links in the description for all that. Now let's go to get into this video. Now, if you didn't watch my earlier this week or last week's XRP analysis, make sure to check that out as well, because things have still been going as projected. So things you guys got to understand, especially when y'all are new investors, is that retracements are a part of the game, right? You cannot expect, especially when you are late to the party, for price to just keep on pushing. No, retracements are part of the game, consolidations are part of the game, reversals are a part of the game, which is why in every one of my videos I always talk about DCAing in and DCAing out. All right, dollar cost averaging, which is also why I always give where I can see price going up as well as prices to pay attention to on the way down. Now looking at the stats again for the day at the time of this recording, it is up 3%. So again, even if you buy when it was at $2.18, you'd be up right now, and it hit as high as $2.38. Now for the month, it was as low as $1.10. But let's just ignore the $1.10, right? This is why you have to DCA in and DCA out. If you would have even entered here, it went as low as $1.95. If you would have jumped in here, you'd be up a stupid amount right now. So again, this is why people say buy on the dip, buy on the dip. Now in this video, these are the price points I want you to pay attention to. Just like last week's video, I talked about $2.25 and how price has been ranging and holding this level. When we go into a smaller time frame, we can clearly see how price has been ranging and playing at this level, right? It might have broke above it, broke below it, but it's still hugging this level, okay? So when we look to the left, we still have bullish momentum, but with consolidation, that means price is struggling to go up as well as struggling to go down. So when you see consolidation, it's going to do one of two things. It's either going to break to the upside or break to the downside. All right. So again, right now is a good place to put one position in, put some of your investment money in. Now, if it rejects this level, we can see price retrace to as low as $1.60. Okay, so pay attention to that price level. Now, if it continues to push up from where it's at, it's going to go to $2.65, but it's going to need to break and hold that level as support in order for it to keep pushing up to go to $3 and eventually $3.25. Okay, so y'all got to pay attention to these price points. Now, that's on a shorter term basis. On the extreme, we can see price reverse and retrace down to $1.40 or even $1.12, which is why I always say you're late, but it's not too late, right? When we see here, price had a huge push to the upside, and for the past 3-4 weeks, it's been chilling here, right? But again, looking for volume to see what's going to happen next. Now, Q4 is typically the slowest quarter of the year, so it'll be very interesting to see what happens going into January and of course Q1. Now, of course, there's a lot of news, a lot of deals being made behind closed doors with XRP as well as Ripple. So make sure to do your research on this. But again, pay attention to these price points. Do not freak out when price is retracing. That means it's on sale. And again, unless you're down 90% of your investment, there's no reason to freak out, because there's going to be red days, there's going to be green days. That's a part of the game. Now, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join a free signal, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual positions of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did the last month. Now, how we did quarter 1 to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips.